Come with me for a quick walk around tour on this Monterey 28-foot cruiser here at South Mountain Yachts. Starting off port forward, we see at the bow we've got a nice plow anchor, remote spotlight, windlass. Coming down along the side, this is what I call a LLI, ladies like it feature. We have a nice large sun pad there with a canvas cover on top for protection. Coming down along the side, we see a couple names on the boat. This vessel has a full camper back enclosure, soft sides in the back. The front windows are the hard Makrolon for clear view for many years. Monterey does a nice job. We've got grab rails all the way around. On top of the radar arch, we see we have our TV antenna, Raymarine radar dome, VHF antennas. We've got a nice solid stainless steel frame for the Biminis. Here at the transom, we have an extended swim platform, covered boarding ladder, outboard bracket, and trunk storage there. Let's go aboard. We've got a nice simulated vinyl heavy-duty teak floor. Let's go inside. We enter the vessel through this port side door. Right here we have a hot and cold shower. We have an ice chest there. This gives us a cockpit overview right here. Down along the port side, we have our wet bar, sink, ice chest. Down below, we've got lots of storage area right there. This cockpit features this double table, which actually these can be lowered, and there's a sun pad here to lay out on. That gives us a view of the transom seat. Here at the helm, we've got lots of seating. Access to the foredeck is nice and easy. We've got these molded in steps and then right out through the window. This companion seat tilts forward with lots of storage underneath. Here at the helm, we've got our tilt steering wheel with the suicide knob. Our electronics include a Navman Tracker 550, Raymarine C170 radar GPS system, dual gauges. Off to the side, we have our windlass switch, trim tabs, spotlight. Up against the gunnel, we've got our Raymarine fish finder, and then below we have a VHF radio. Engine access is through the deck hatch, right down in there, and this gives us an overview of the vessel. Let's go inside. We enter the cabin through this port side bifold door and down a few steps. Right as we enter the vessel, we have our power panel, shore power on one side, 12-volt panel on the other side, interior ignition switches right there, stereo, built-in coffee maker, Monterey makes good use of space. You can have storage up above. Little nooks and shelving right there. Galley has dual burner electric stove, Corian countertop, stainless steel sink, and below we've got cabinet storage and our refrigerator right there. Forward we have seating area and V-berth. This table lowers also to extend the sleeping area, and this seat back drops down. There's a filler for right in there, so we have a large forward expansive sleeping area. Gunnel storage off to one side. This vessel is upgraded interior, has nice vinyl walls throughout. And then coming back here, we have our fully lined fiberglass head. This is what I call another LLI feature. We have a seat covering the toilet, so when you're using it as a vanity, it's a little bit nicer. Fully lined fiberglass. Windows and shades in here. There's a tank watch system, cabinet, and more. The aft cabin right here is double wide. It's currently set up with a mattress, full beam. It's about the size of a double bed. This 2002 Monterey is mechanically very sound. Just been buffed and waxed with new bottom paint, so she's ready to go for the next owner. Viewer today, owner tomorrow at South Mountain Yachts. Thank you.